like today we're going to learn how to put functions like this with two variables into a function table like this. So these function tables are just like the function tables we did before, except rather than having f of x right here, what do we have? Y. Okay, now we're going to put x in the first box, we're going to put y in the second box, and in the middle box we put everything to the right of the equal sign. So 3x minus 2. Now the instructions say find 4 solutions. So you need to pick 4 numbers. I always choose a negative number and then 3 positive numbers. Okay? 4 solutions. Now all we have to do is plug them in, get our values, and put them in ordered pairs. The ordered pairs are your solution. So we've got 3 times what? Negative 1 minus 2. That's negative 3 minus 2, which is negative 5. Here we've got 3 times 0, which is 0, minus 2 is negative 2. Here we've got 3 times 1, which is 3, minus 2 is 1. And here we got 3 times 2, which is 6, minus 2 is 4. So now, are you done yet?
No.
No. So to review, we took 4 numbers that we picked on our own. We plugged them into the equation. We got our answer. And now we've got to have 4 ordered pairs, and these will be our solution. No, we're not going to graph them today. But you can see right here it says find 4 solutions. So these will be our 4 solutions. So let's plug it in. Negative 1, negative 5. The next solution is 0, negative 2. The next solution is 1, 1. And the last solution is 2, 4. So this is just like what we've done, except for rather than f of x, we've got the variable y. Now in the next problem, we're going to go ahead and graph. Alright, so on the second example, we're going to put this in put that equation in a function table, but this function table doesn't have the middle column. But it's exactly the same. We just have to plug it in on our own. They go ahead and give us our 4 solutions that they want. So we take negative 3 and we plug it in. Negative 3 plus 2 is what? Negative 1. 0 plus 2 is what? 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 6 plus 2 is
8.
So there it is in your function table. Now you just need your 4 ordered pairs. And then we're going to graph. So we got negative 3, negative 1. 0, 2, 3, 5. And 6, 8. You can see each one comes from negative 3, negative 1, 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. So now we're going to take us a coordinate plane, and we're going to place them on the coordinate plane. Okay? So we got negative 3, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, right there. We've got 0 up to, right there. Shaq, you went right to, that's where your problem was. 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6, 8. So then you connect them all, and there's your line.
Why do you put the arrows?
Because it's a line. On the line you have to put the arrows at the end, on both ends, showing that it continues to go forever. So here we put them in a function table, and then we did what?
Graph.
And then we graphed it. So now we need to be able to graph this without a function table given to us, right? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw us a 2-column function table with this being x and this being y, and our numbers would be negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. So now we're going to plug negative 1 in here, and 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus 3 is what? 1. We've already done this. It's 1. Do you not see that negative 2 plus 3 is the same thing as 3 minus 2, which is what?
1.
Now I've got 2 times 0, which is 0, plus 3, so that equals 3.
3.
Then I've got 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 3 is 5. And then I've got 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 3 is 7. So now I'm not done because my job here was to graph it. So I'm going to graph these points. Negative 1, 1 is right there. 0, 3, right there. 1, 5 is up here. And 2, 7 is the way up here. So now we're going to connect all these. And we have graphed our function. Now ideally I would have these points connected, but it's hard to do it on this board. Okay. So today we learned how to take equations with two variables, x and y, put them in a function table, find ordered pairs, and then place them on a Cartesian coordinate plane. This can be inside the plane as well. So let's say we draw a plane with a bunch of sides, and then inside it, what will we have to put? What? What's wrong with you?